Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious Thai dish, stir-fried chicken in homemade red curry paste. This recipe is for 5 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of boneless chicken. I am using the chicken thigh part cut into bite-sized pieces. 470 grams of round eggplant, washed. 150 ml of water. 150 ml of concentrated coconut milk. 25 grams of basil leaf. 5 pieces of kaffir lime leaves. 1 red chilli. 100 grams of homemade red curry paste. 75 grams of shallots. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Add half of the salt on the chicken. Rubbing to marinate evenly. Rotate the chicken at the bottom of the bowl. Add the rest of the salt. Continue to rub and marinate. Leave it aside. Next, cut each of the shallot into 2 to 3 pieces. Alright, leave aside. Remove the stem from the eggplant, cut into half or quarter to get bite-sized pieces, and submerge them in the basin filled with water. This slows down the oxidation rate. Continue with all the eggplants until completed. Okay, all done. Leave aside. Heat the pan to medium heat. Add 150 ml of concentrated coconut milk and all the kaffir lime leaves. Stir continuously to cook for about 1 minute or until it comes to a boil. After 1.5 minutes, the coconut milk is boiling. Add the red curry paste. Stir and mix for 1.5 minutes or until well combined. The fragrance is so lovely. Next, add the marinated chicken and stir for about 1.5 minutes or until the chicken is well coated with the curry paste. Now the pan is a little dry. Add 25 ml of water. Stir for another 1 minute or until the chicken has changed color to gray. Alright, this looks great. Add all the cut shallots and the eggplants. Stir to mix until the eggplants are well coated with red curry. Add 125 ml of water, stirring until well combined. Pour in all the fish sauce and sugar. Stir to mix again. Cover the pan and simmer for 15 minutes in medium heat or until the eggplants are cooked. Stir occasionally to rotate them and prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 15 minutes, the eggplants are cooked and the gravy has reduced a lot as well. It's very fragrant too. Give it a taste. Very delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. Switch off the heat, add the cut chilies and the fresh basil leaf. Stir to combine. This allows the residual heat from the pan to cook and soften them. And the stir-fried chicken in homemade red curry paste is done. A quick and simple family dinner can be made with homemade red curry paste. Let's eat! Wow, it is so good! Fragrant with basil leaf and authentic red curry. The chicken is so tender and the eggplants are so soft and smooth. Really perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.